So this is still the same worksheet, but I'm going to work number 2. So I'm going to factor everything I can. I can't really factor this first one, so I'm just going to rewrite it. N minus 2 minus, now the top I can't factor, n minus 3, but I am going to put it in parentheses for what we're going to do in just a little bit. I can factor the denominator, and that will be n plus 2, n minus 2, because it is a difference of perfect squares. And this fraction I cannot factor. So my least common denominator is going to be x plus 2 and x minus 2, which means my excluded values are positive 2 and negative 2. There is no way that x can equal positive 2 or negative 2, because that would make 0 on the bottom, and that's really bad. So I'm going to multiply each term by my least common denominator. So times n plus 2, n minus 2, times n plus 2, n minus 2, and times n plus 2, n minus 2. Yeah, sorry about the x's. You know how I am with my variables. So in this term, the n minus 2's cancel out, and we are left with n plus 2. In this term, my n plus 2's and my n minus 2's cancel out, and I'm left with n minus 3. That is being subtracted, so I'm going to leave that in parentheses after that subtraction, because that's going to be a little bit tricky with our signs. In this last term, the n plus 2's cancel out, and I'm just left with n minus 2, or 1 times n minus 2, which is just n minus 2. So I need to come over here and I need to subtract. Well, you know that that's the same as adding the opposite. So this is n plus negative n, which cancels out, 0, and n plus positive 3, which is 5. And that equals n minus 2. And quite easily, to solve for n, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So n equals 7. And since that is not one of our excluded values, then 7 is a solution.